Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, as per your time zone. I, Aparnika Sahu, welcome you all again to my channel, Dance with Aparnika. So, till now, we have learned Kuddita Metta Adavu, step number 1, 2, 3, 4. And today, we will learn Kuddita Metta Adavu, step number 5. Tai Hat Tai Hi, Tai Hat Tai Hi. In this Adavu, we use Katka Mukha, Ala Padma and Tripataka gesture in both the hands. Firstly, we have take our hands at the backwards in diagonal angle with Katka Mukha to Ala Padma gesture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, immediately, we have to change our gesture from Katka Mukha to Tripataka. 8, 7, 6, 5. And keep in mind, when you will do this part of this step, so you have to bend your body also in this manner and see the distance between hands and legs. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll do this whole step from left side. Tai Hat Tai Hi, Tai Hat Tai Hi, Tai Hat Tai Hi, Tai Hat Tai Hi. Let's see how it is done with the legs. Tai Hat Tai Hi, 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 Tai Hat Tai Hi. Tai Hat Tai Hi, 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 Tai Hat Tai Hi. Tai Hat Tai Hi, 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 Ta. So this is Kuddita Metta Adavu step number 5, and if you have missed to watch Kuddita Metta Adavu step number 1, 2, 3, 4, so don't worry, I mention all these steps in my description box. You can check it from there. Stay connected with me for more videos. Take care, bye bye, and thank you for watching.